Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making authentic Indian masala tea, a perfect blend of spices and tea leaves for a refreshing start to your day. Let's get started. Our masala tea begins with the purest ingredient, fresh, filtered water, essential for a clean and vibrant brew. Next, creamy whole milk adds richness and a smooth texture, giving our tea its signature body. Premium black tea leaves are the heart of this recipe, providing depth and robust flavor. Sparkling sugar crystals bring a gentle sweetness, perfectly balancing the spices. And now, the soul of masala tea, fresh ginger for warmth, cardamom pods for aroma, cloves for depth, cinnamon for a hint of sweetness, and a pinch of black pepper for gentle heat, all displayed pristine and whole, just as in the finest restaurants. Begin by ensuring your mortar and pestle are clean and dry. Wearing gloves or using clean utensils, add the fresh ginger, cardamom pods, cloves, and cinnamon one by one. Gently crush each spice, taking care to break them just enough to release their natural oils and aromas. This careful preparation ensures the spices blend smoothly into your tea, creating an authentic and aromatic masala. Maintaining hygiene and using fresh ingredients is key to achieving the best flavor. In a spotless saucepan set in a professional kitchen, pour in 2 cups of clear water. Add the freshly crushed spices, letting them gently infuse as the water begins to simmer. Watch as the steam rises and the fragrant aroma fills the air, signaling the perfect infusion. With clean hands or gloves, carefully add 2 teaspoons of premium black tea leaves to the simmering spiced water. Notice how the leaves begin to release their rich color and aroma. Let the tea simmer gently for 2 minutes, allowing the flavors of the spices to infuse deeply into the brew for a truly aromatic experience. Gently pour in 1 cup of creamy milk, followed by sparkling sugar, letting them swirl beautifully into the tea. Stir gently, watching the milk and sugar blend to create a rich, inviting color. Allow the tea to simmer gently for 2 minutes, maintaining a clean and professional environment for the perfect finish. Carefully turn off the heat and pour the tea through a fine strainer, letting the rich liquid flow smoothly into elegant cups. Notice the inviting aroma as the tea fills each cup, its warmth rising in gentle swirls of steam. Serve your hot masala tea on a tray, garnished with whole spices on the side for a beautiful, authentic touch. Treat yourself to a cup of restaurant-style masala tea, served with your favorite biscuits or snacks. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share for more authentic Indian recipes.